Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Channel, and today we want to learn how to crochet this beautiful pattern. To begin, make a knot and start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 10. I made 20 chains to demonstrate. At the end, add 3 more chains to your chains. Don't forget that your chains should be a multiple of 10. I have 20 chains. Now with these 3 chains, I have 23 chains. Skip the first 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and make a double crochet into the fourth one. These 3 chains count as our first double crochet. This is the second one. Make a double crochet into the next chain, the third one. Chain 2, skip the next chain and make 1 double crochet, not complete, like this. We should work it like this. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Keep these 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert it into the next chain, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, insert it into the next chain, yarn over, pull it through 2. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 4 loops. Chain 2, skip the next chain and make 1 double crochet into each of the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, skip the next chain and repeat this process. Make a stitch like this, then chain 2, skip the next chain, make 5 double crochets like this until you finish the row. At the end of the row, when you have a stitch like this, skip the next chain and into the last 3 chains, make 1 double crochet into each one. I'll be back when I finish. At the end of the row, I made this stitch that we made 3 double crochets in 1, chain 2, skip the next chain, and we have 3 chains left and make 1 double crochet into each of the last 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And this is the end of row 1. For row 2, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Then turn your project on, you can do this instead. Turn your project and make into the first stitch, make 1 single crochet plus 2 chains, and this counts as our first double crochet. This is our first double crochet, and make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 1 double crochet into this stitch that we decreased. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We reached the group of 5 double crochets. Decrease the first 2 stitches, insert your hook, yarn over, insert it, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through 2. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. 1 double crochet into the next one, and decrease the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat this process to the end. 1 into this one. It doesn't matter how many stitches you have, continue until you reach the end. At the end, I chain 3, make 1 double crochet into this one, chain 3, decrease the first 2 stitches, and make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Our last stitch is those 3 chains that we skipped at the beginning of the first row. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. This is the end of row 2. Row 3, turn your project, insert it into the first stitch, make a single crochet plus 2 chains, and this single crochet plus 2 chains count as our first double crochet. Yarn over, insert it into the next stitch. We want to decrease these 2 stitches. Yarn over, pull it through 2. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through 2. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into this chain space. Make 1 double crochet into the next double crochet, 2 double crochets into the next chain space, chain 2. Now we reached these 3 stitches. We should decrease. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over with 2, yarn over, insert it into the next one, yarn over with 2, yarn over, insert it into the next one, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets into the next chain space, 1 double crochet into the next double crochet, and 2 double crochets into the next chain space until you finish the row. I'm at the end of my row, so let's see how it looks like. End of your row. Chain 2 and decrease the last 2 stitches. Insert yarn over, insert the hook, pull it through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull it through 2. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. And this is the end of row 3. Row 4, turn your project and make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. My first double crochet is single crochet plus 2 chains. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, decrease the first 2 stitches. One double crochet next, decrease the last 2 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, decrease the first 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet next, decrease the last 2 stitches, and repeat this process until you finish the row. And into the last stitch, 1 double crochet. This is the end of row 4. Row 5, turn your project and make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. My first double crochet is single crochet plus 2 chains. Make 2 double crochets into this chain space, chain 2, decrease the next 3 stitches. Yarn over through 2, insert it, yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, yarn over through 2, yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, yarn over through 2, we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over through all 4 loops, chain 2, make 2 double crochets into the next chain space, one double crochet into the next double crochet, 2 double crochets into the next chain space, chain 2, decrease the next 3 stitches, yarn over through all 4 loops, chain 2, and at the end of the row make 2 double crochets into the last chain space, and 1 double crochet into the last double crochet. Our last double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain. This is the end of row 5. And from here repeat row 2, 3, 4 and 5 until you get your desired length.